Hello everyone and welcome back to UZEX News on Uzreport TV channel. Today in our edition you can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as the exchange market of cement for 2022. At the beginning of our program we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UZEX market and the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UZEX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell on to the latest exchange news. The Uzbek Commodity Exchange continues to implement practical measures to strengthen ties with foreign partners, the world's leading exchanges, international financial organizations and structures, and expands the network of foreign trading platforms. Based on the tasks outlined by the President of Uzbekistan, the Uzbek Commodity Exchange, together with the embassies of Uzbekistan in foreign countries, opened 15 new foreign trading platforms. In particular, the new strongholds of the exchange began their activities in such countries as Russia, Turkey, Azerbaijan and Tajikistan. The main goal of opening new foreign trading platforms is to facilitate mutual access for entrepreneurs and commodity producers to the commodity markets of Uzbekistan and other countries using the opportunities of the market mechanism of exchange trading. In addition, with the support of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Uzbekistan and diplomatic missions of Uzbekistan in foreign countries, business relations are being established with Dalian Commodity Exchange, Pakistan Mercantile Exchange, Euronext Commodities, Madrid Stock Exchange, Hamburg Chamber of Commerce and Hamburg Stock Exchange, Malaysia Exchange, Indonesia Commodity and Derivatives Center, Tel Aviv Stock Exchange, Dubai Multi-Commodities Center and Borsa Istanbul. Consultations on the introduction of modern exchange-traded instruments are ongoing with the U.S. Department of Commerce Commercial Law Development Program and Commodity Futures Trading Commission. We move to a separate segment of the exchange platform. We'll consider the cement market for January-August 2022. Since the beginning of 2022, the volume of cement sales through exchange trading has exceeded 4.5 million tons, which is 25% less than in the same period in 2021. The average monthly sales volume for the past period amounted to about 560,000 tons. The highest rate of exhibiting and selling cement is observed in the month of June, when sales amounted to 797.5 thousand tons. By the end of August, over 400,000 tons of cement were sold. If we consider directly the structure of sellers, then it's worth to point out that Kızılkum Cement retained its leadership position in 2022 with a share of almost 40%, as we can see on the screen. The second position here is taken by stock company Ahangaran Cement, which goes with 24% at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. And the third top leadership position here is taken by Almalik Metal Mining Company, which goes with a 19%, as we can see on the screen. Definitely it's worth to mention about stock company Bekabat Cement and Kuvasay Cement. They are going with the same percentage, to be exact 3% on performing level at the UZEX exchange trade platform. So Bekabat Cement and Kuvasay Cement 3% at the UZEX exchange trade platform. So let's go and look more properly at the next diagram, and this is going to be the diagram in the section of brands. As for cement grades, there are certain changes relative to 2021 either. The leading positions on the exchange market in turn were occupied by cement grades PC, the second AK 32.5, which goes with 31% at the UZEX exchange trade platform. The second position here is taken by PC, the second AI 32.5N, which goes with 28%, as we can see on the screen. The third top leadership position here is taken by two commodity assets, which goes with a Portland Cement, which is PCC. It goes with a 7%, and PC, the second AG 32.5N, it also goes with 7%. It's worth to mention about PCM 400 D20, which goes with 5%, PCI 42.5N goes with 6%. The other brands are less than 6%. Now let's go to the next diagram for today, and this is going to be the price dynamics for all brands of locally produced cement. Despite the increase in prices relative to the beginning of the year, the market as a whole is stable. For the period from January to April, prices on the cement market rose from 522,000 sums per ton up to 597,000 sums per ton, as we can see on the screen. The rise in prices amounted to about 14%. However, in the following months, the market shows stability, and this is due to the active position of the factory producers and their systematically performing different kind of cement brands at the UZEX exchange trade platform, and definitely due to the increase of performing at the UZEX platform. So in the months of May and August, prices decreased from 597 down to 592,000 sums per ton, which is definitely a good result in the middle of the constructional season. In the structure of buyers by regions, the highest demand for cement was noted in the city of Tashkent and Tashkent region, the total share of which was 26%. The share of Surkhandarya and Bukhara regions are 13 and 12%. So to be exact, Surkhandarya region goes with 13.3% on consuming cement at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange, and definitely Bukhara region goes with 11.9, almost 12% respectively. The next places was occupied by Navoy region with a share of almost 10%, as we can see on the screen. Each occupied 9% of Samarkand, as we can see on the screen, and definitely Kashkadarya regions are going with 9% on both of the regions on consuming cement at the Uzbek exchange trade platform. The share of other regions is comparatively lower. So these were all commands for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on Uzreport TV channel, and definitely with the website at www.uzex.uz. See you next week. Bye.